Hey guys, welcome back to another video with me. Hey. I'm going on a trip and this video is just gonna be me getting ready. As you can see, I already did my nails. And I also did my eyebrows. My sister gonna hit it in the back. As for now, I'm not doing anything. I'm gonna just play for a little bit game. And then I gotta do my bag, you know, all the things. Hair, I'm not gonna do it because we're gonna be in the pool, so what's the point of doing hair, you know? But yeah, when I do something, I'll come back. So I'm gonna finish packing. I already put the clothes in, but I gotta put some more clothes like that one. And my cousin is here. Gimme! Say hi.
Hey yo.
So I asked her, who do you want to meet in Disney? Who do you want to meet?
The Disney villains, especially Ursula. And the guy from Tiana. I forgot his name.
Yeah, I'm just gonna wax and then I'll do mine. And I'm all done. So I'm done. I showered. I did everything. Now I'm gonna put on this mask and go to sleep. So see you guys. What are they talking about?
Straight?
Yeah, mine was straight.
See you guys tomorrow.
It's really hot. It was like under.
So this is the next day after yesterday, and today is the day we go to the airport. I'm all ready. This is my fit. This is my airport fit with some white Converse. So yeah, for now I'm not doing anything else. We're just waiting to go to the airport. So. And it's packed. We're going to our gate. This is gate A, and look at this pack. Ooh. JFK to Florida. Get our bags to back in. So our suitcases, because we paid and everybody had their suitcase up. Because I thought, you know. Excuse me.
Not good enough.
Look, the luggage right there. Oh my god, this airport is really big. Like, so our bags were over here. And we thought they were all the way down there. But yeah, now we're going to the hotel. Finally. And I don't know what happened. We in the hotel and they sent us to the tower. Because they don't have rooms in the main. My camera died, but look at this. We're on the 9th floor. Ooh, she's scared. We're trying to get to the room. We don't know how to open the door. Oh! Whoa, our little room for 1 week. Let's see the view. We didn't get the volcano view, but it's okay because y'all see that. That's nice.
Oh, is that a lake?
And look over there.
This is the pool. Look, this is the bar over there. Look. Look, the volcano right there. That purple, blue thing. Look, I thought it was closed.
We came to, ¿cómo que se llama?
Buffalo Wild Wings.
Buffalo Wild Wings. I've never been here.
Never.
We got the street tacos, so we'll see. We'll give it a break. So today is officially day 1 because yesterday didn't count. And And we're going to Volcano Bay. And the camera is not with me, so I'm gonna be recording on my phone. This is the bay. Wait, I'll show you. Some Nike Sundays. And I have the bathing suit on there. So yeah, we're going to Volcano. See y'all there. Look at this Starbucks. Oh, it's so cute, man. Oh my god. So guys, we took a break. We ate. Well, we ate. But we ate. We took a break. Now we're going back. We're leaving now after a long day. You feel okay? I don't like the tomatoes. But we're leaving now. I think we're just going to the hotel. But if we do anything else, yeah, no, I'll update. But I don't think we're doing anything. So we didn't go nowhere. We just, we just came to the hotel. Well, we actually went somewhere, but it was to buy some stuff that I needed. But we came back here and just stay here. But tomorrow, day two, we're gonna go to Disney. So see you guys at Disney day 2.